Welcome back, guys. Today's test drive is a 1967 Coronet. We're gonna be taking it on the road, checking out any kind of flaws I can find. It's got a 440 under the hood right now. Pretty quiet. The body on this one looks nice and straight. Be checking it over. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post classics daily or any kind of car related topics. Also share this video and hit that like button. If you need to get financed, I have that available. If you need shipping to get this thing to your house, I have that available. I have detailed pictures, a full list of our inventory. All you have to do is go to that website, maplemotors.com. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Everything's nice and clean in here. Package tray. This little piece over here has got some loose spots on it. But I tell you what, the headliner looks great. Wouldn't worry too much about it. Starts up good. I can show you the mileage. I can't stand behind it. This is not an original 440 car. It's not the original motor that come in it. And it's not an RT. Somebody put badges on this one. Radio not working. Let's see. Give us a blower motor. I think the blower motor's out on this one too. We'll definitely stop at the gas station. It's right on the E right now, and I do not want to run out. Had that happen to me last week, so let's not do that again. Wipers work good. Horn somewhere. Back to 50% horns this week. Okay, oil pressure gauge down there is old, but is working pretty good. Let's hit the road and see how she drives. Okay, we're going to take off down the road. Any flaws I see, I will let you know. I'll go ahead and knock a few other questions out. A lot of people ask. We do have a section on maplemotors.com. It's questions and answers. It's the most common questions that everybody asks us. Go ahead. And one of the most common is, do you fix the stuff in your cars? No, we clean these cars, check them out, tell you everything in these videos, what's wrong with them. So let's go. Speedometer is coming up. This car is pulling to the right. When I let go of the steering wheel, I'd end up over here in that lane. That being said, it's very tight on the steering. Check these brakes. Brakes are sensitive. Got plenty of power for this big car. Get you out of the way in a scenario. Turn signal, the right one's popping up on the dash. I think the left bulb is out. I can hear it clicking still though. There's nobody behind me. Trying to figure out which way I'm going. We are gonna pull in here, get some fuel. I'm gonna put $20 of fuel in this. It is dead on E right now. So hopefully that works and we'll come up. And after we go to the gas station, we'll get some undercarriage shots. Some exterior shots of this ride. I'm also going to do a walk around video, getting up close and personal with the paint job and the interior. Be sure to check out both videos. All right, let's get some fuel. Okay, so just finished putting $20 worth of fuel in this ride. we're gonna go ahead and check that gas gauge out. You put the fuel in on the side over here, on the driver's side. Check it out right there. Really clean. Come on down here and check this gas gauge now. This car is very easy to get in and out of as well. Gas gauge was on E. Come on up, come on up. It's not on E no more. Slowly coming up. It's still kind of rising. It's just very slow. Well, I'd say that was success. Let's keep this test drive rolling. All right, so for the second half of the test drive, we came back to the car lot, got a brand new AC Delco. We had battery issues out of the last one because the brake lights, the pedal sticks down. If you don't pull back up on it, the brake lights will stay on and run your battery down. So I came back, put a brand new battery in. You don't want low voltage on these Mopars. I learned that it does make them run funny when you have a low battery. So we're gonna bust the block one more time all the way around. Definitely getting pretty cloudy out here. Car is still pulling to the right. The brakes are great on this one. They stop fast. We're gonna go the normal route. We'll just make it all the way around. We've already been to the church, so. manually turn off the turn signals. Suspension's pretty good on this one. I'd have to say a 7 out of 10. It's fairly smooth. Not bad at all. Shift her down. The little vent window's making some noise. Made it all the way back around. We're literally around the corner from the car lot. And guys, please remember next week, next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we will be at Pigeon Forge Rod Run looking and purchasing vehicles. So we will be closed next week. Today is the 8th, and it is actually 1 week from today, next Thursday. So yeah, if you're calling, we're probably not going to be here. Well, we definitely won't. We'll be out of town. I do appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that share button. It helps us out greatly. Also hit like and check out maplemotors.com. I do have financing. I have shipping available, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All right, looks like they're here to pick up something. Let's get back to work.